Good evening, everybody. This is final presentation for EDCT 6012, Teaching and Learning Online. In this presentation, I am going to provide an overview of the course I have designed. The course is named EDCT 4010, System Analysis and Design in Education Technology Development. I will also be taking students through step by step on how to navigate the course component. Furthermore, I will take students through the Google Doc platform where students can create, discuss, and share content for other students to comment. And the last part, I will discuss the reasons why I selected the Blackboard and all the resources that I used for the design. So first, let us go into the system, or let us go into the course. So once you click on the course, you come to get started, and you first find the course syllabus. So EDCT 4010, syllabus for System Analysis and Design in Education Technology. So the syllabus is in Word format. Student can just click on this and it will download the syllabus for them. The next item is a description of the course. So this course is basically a description of methodological framework for developing systems with a combination of high quality information systems, technology, people, and data for any development project. And the next item has to do with the literature that or resources that students can access for the program. And over here, it is a textbook. The textbook is free for every student. And I also have a mono link, or I call it general class general link. This link leads to a mono link or a Google Doc where students are able to introduce themselves and also provide discussions, make them available for comments and reviews. I also have a course rubric on the Get Start button or the Get Start platform. So after the Get Start platform, you go to the announcement. This is where all information will be posted for students to read. So here I first posted the course policies and instructions, which describe the course, describe policies including academic honesty, communicating with instructor, etiquette, course announcement, electronic files, and late policy. The next item is discussion. So if you click on the discussion, you will be able to go to the discussion board, and students don't need to create new forums, or students don't need to make their own forums. So what they have to do is to click on the discussion forum, and then or the discussion that is posted, discussion one, and then create a thread. Once they press on or click on a thread, it allows them to view the question and also provide subject where they can put, if it is discussion one, you put in discussion one. Let's say discussion one. So that will be discussion one. And then the response of discussion one will be posted right here. Also, this course, I also created groups. So I created 3 groups for Model 5. So during Model 5, students will work in groups. Each group will have at least 3 and at most 5 people to communicate. So this is how the group looks like. The group will comprise of 3 to 5 members. And this class is modeled or is designed in models. So I try to design the course in a modular form so that I will be able to put in all the requirements. So one model comprises of several components. So this model is just an introduction, but it also has creating individual online experiences or individual monolink experiences. Then we have model one that has to do with software development methodologies. So software development methodologies would talk about methodologies, but it will also talk about some system development life cycle and so on. So I use a model for the purposes of putting many things in one model. So I have 4 models. It can have more than 4 models, but for the purpose of the class, I have 4 models. After the models, I also have, you go to the tools section, and then you go to course tools. This is where I created or I added students who are part of the class. So new students who reach out to me through emails will be enrolled through this resource. Now let's go back to get started and then go to the monolink section. So here, what I call general class journal link. If you click on it, it takes you, once you click on it, it takes you to a Google Doc where I have posted a brief description or a brief introduction of myself and my experiences in online learning, and also I have provided a course description. So apparently this Google Doc has all the information that are posted on the Blackboard page. So this means one can use this platform to finish all the course without having visited the Blackboard tools. Over here, I also put the syllabus. So the syllabus can be seen here. I have me as the instructor, even though I'm a student, and I have my office, and then my like hours of office, which is always by appointment, my phone number, and others. And I have the models also provided here with extensive explanation to what I expect from my students. So when you come down here, I have the class grading Introduction will give 5 points, and all the other models, some will have 20 points, 20%, and others 40, and participation is 15. So 93 is an A, 90 is an A minus. Then the class rubric itself is provided here. So you have a rubric here, and then you have a rubric on Blackboard. So here is the course structure and then the period that the course is going to offer. The course is going to, span. So it starts from on the 15th to 20th of February. So 15th January to 20th of February. Apparently 27th will be the last day for the class. That is last day to submit final project or final assignment. But the interesting thing is that on this platform, when you go to the course description side, I have created what I code named student monolink. On this monolink, it takes students to their individual page where they can create their own Google Doc and paste the links right here. So for the purpose of the class and the assignment, I put Dr. Strecker as a member so he can see and review what students are doing. I put some students here, including Marwan Al-Muhaib, and then Courtney. I put Fatia, Kusai, and others. So students are able to, and then this is an example. So I put a sample here. Let's say this is my name, a sample. Let's say this is my name, Joseph. And this is my Google Doc. So when I click here, it takes me to a Google Doc that I have created, and I copy the link and pasted the link here so that everybody can access this link. What I want students to do is to make sure that they share this link. This link is shareable. This link can help, or each student is able to access this link. So when I click here, I can go to this side and then say commenter. So commenter means anybody who has this link will be able to comment on my work. This is what I'm expecting from students. Interestingly, some may ask why I decided to create a test course on Blackboard. So Blackboard has been an effective tool for teachers, especially during the COVID pandemic. I've had a chance to use Canvas, and then I have also gotten the chance to use Blackboard, and I think Blackboard is very effective. More so, Blackboard is what we use as Ohio University, and me being a teaching assistant, it is good for me to know more about Blackboard, and that is one of the reasons why I chose to use Blackboard for my design. I also used the Google Doc because the Google Doc also provide full access for a course, a structured course, and it gives the opportunity to do editing. So when you look at Blackboard, it doesn't give you the chance to do immediate review and do editing or do corrections or kind of comment on people's work immediately. You have to click certain things before you can do those comment. But with monolink will give you access or the Google Doc will give you access